Hey, everybody, I hope you're having a great 2019 so far. And I'm super excited to make this announcement that I'm going to be heading over to LA this week for NAMM, which is one of the biggest music tech events of the year. A lot of companies make their big product announcements during this time. And I've teamed up with the good people at Output, which are a software development company that are making really awesome VST plugins and virtual instruments. And they're based in LA. And together, we're going to be putting on an audio developer meetup. We're calling it the LA Music Hackers Meetup. And it's going to be at Output HQ in downtown LA on the 29th of January. What I've done is I've created a page to sign up to register your interest. The biggest thing is that the space is limited for this meetup, so we can only allow a few people in. So if you're interested in coming out and meeting up with other audio developers of all different levels, whether you're just interested in audio development or whether you're a professional audio developer and you're looking to network with other professionals, come out and meet up. We've got snacks. We've also got a couple presentations and an open house so people can check out Output HQ. Just put in your information and sign up, and we'll go ahead and we will be setting up an Eventbrite event a little bit later on this week. So once again, it's on the 29th of January. Things kick off at 7 p.m. and we got a nice little map here so you can see where we're at. And for anybody that's coming out to NAMM, get in touch with me because I'd love to meet up and network and hang out. So I hope to see you there. To sign up, be sure to go to theaudioprogrammer.com/meetup and see you in LA.